Data analysts at TCS work on exciting projects like the Jaguar TCS Racing Formula E. They process large data sets, predict race outcomes, and optimize performance strategies, proving how data can drive success in high speed racing. Data analytics is one of the most in demand skills across industries today. Companies like TCS are hiring data analysts to transform raw data into actionable insights, making it a lucrative and future proof career. Now, Hackveda brings you the opportunity to step into this exciting field. Join our project based live online course in data analytics designed around the Jaguar TCS Racing Formula E project. You will learn to process racing telemetry, build predictive models, and optimize strategies using real world data. Through this program, you will analyze telemetry data from Formula E cars, build dashboards to visualize racing metrics, create predictive models to optimize racing strategies, deploy your models for real time decision making. This program is accessible to all. Rupees 500 for undergraduates and below, Rupees 1500 for graduates and working professionals. And if you have an intern tracker subscription, you can join for free. Seats are limited and the race starts soon. Don't miss this chance to gain hands on experience and fast track your career in data analytics. Visit hackveda.in to register today. Hackveda, empowering your future with skills that matter.